thought it was a baby pony, but it's a goat. But goats are really cute too. No, there is a pony. Well, really nice golf course. I was walking here with my mom, and a little green garden snake crossed our path. And I had gotten the snake card earlier in the combinatory Rider-Waite card deck. Isn't it pretty? And, you know, I don't encounter that many snakes, so I don't know, it scared me. I think I jumped like 5 feet in the air and like, went into the grass, and this is pretty. I wish they came over here to me. I don't have anything to give them though. Hey guys. I don't know how to call horses. I used to be terrified of horses. Falling off horses. The pony came back out. It's such a cute little gazebo type thing too. I didn't realize that was back here. I mean, he must be able to, they must give lessons or something. Let's talk turkey. Oh my god, it's an actual rooster right there. I have no idea what this is. Oh my god, it smells. Wow, it's just walking around. It's a real live rooster just out and about. Welcome to the farm. This is nice though. Let's play. And having this like sort of country mood. Oh, I see the rooster again. It is a pony. Ride it. Oh my gosh. I'd be so scared if it came at me flapping its wings like that. Hi. Hi, good. Okay.
Hey girls, I'm
I was just
running.
curious what was going on here. I was just curious what was going on in here and
Oh yeah, you can come over and
Okay.
visit. There's the chickens and the goats are out there. And the
Yeah.
big horses are way, way out there.
I saw them, yeah. Hi.
Is there anything before you go?
Oh my gosh. Whoa. Holy shit, that scared me. Chicken of the chicken. Oh, a kitty. Oh, cute cat under there. Hey, buddy. I love living on a farm, I think, except for the killing of the animals part. I just want a stray animal farm where I just take care of them and play with them all day. That's the golf range. That looks really cool. You're pretty good at golf.